So hello and welcome back to my channel. This is Javed Thakur. I know what you just saw is little shocking, but on daily basis, in daily life, right? These things tend to happen, and it is not in your control. It's not in my control. It's not in anyone's control. What can happen? So basically why I'm making this video is not to show you that, oh my god, I went through an accident, I broke my leg, I went through a surgery, my bike got damaged, this ABCD. No, it's just for people to understand the importance of wearing the gears what we need to wear on a daily basis. Even if it is a long or short ride, gears are very important. Because if I did not have the helmet, I was not wearing the gears, I would have broken, and I don't know if I would have even survived this particular incident. I don't know. Because the first thing which impacted was my head, and I don't know how to actually put it in the words. It was not something which was expected. Myself, Abhinav and Kumar were just going for a breakfast, a coffee ride. It was supposed to happen, we go have coffee, have breakfast and come back within 1.5 hours. My family was waiting for me back home. But after 1.5 hours, my family gets a call from the hospital that I am in the hospital. So this is for those people who tend to ride without the helmets and the proper gears. My jacket, my helmet and my shoes and my kneecap saved maximum portion of my impact. I was not wearing a knee complete guard which could save my shin area, and that's the exact point where I broke my bone, and that's the exact point where two cracks happened, and this particular I had to go through a surgery and ABCD. Okay, so very important. And one more added thing to all this thing is, the added advantage what I had was I had two cameras on. One was my helmet camera, which was Sena 10C Evo, and my second camera, which was 360 degrees, that was Insta360 ONE X2. So due to these two cameras, and majorly because Insta360 camera, what happened was I could capture the video which you're going to see. So it's my habit from day one that whenever I ride, let it be I have to go from here to half kilometer grocery store, I switch on my helmet camera. Why? Because I don't know what can happen, and I will not have a proof of what happened. So the culprit, the truck driver who hit me, he actually stopped, but he not seeing me that I am alive, he walked away and just vanished. And we tried to get the footage from the toll naka, but there was nothing because he never passed it, because he knows if he passes it, he will be captured. So if I did not have the 360-degree camera, the way he came and hit me, I would have been a lost person. I could never get the culprit who actually did what happened to me. So it's been almost 2 months that I have been bedridden and I cannot walk because of what the surgery has taken place. Thank God, Alhamdulillah, now I am being able to walk. Slow and easy. But yes, I will get back on the bike and start riding again. It's not going to stop me from riding ever. So that's my passion. So watch the video and understand that it can be happen to anyone. Just we need to be careful, because when you're careful, you can prevent many damages. And be safe and watch the video. Thank you.